Guys, electricity bills are increasing every month, but today I'm going to show you a permanent solution. These are solar panels and an inverter for Apne. Today we're installing a complete solar system. First, the mounting structure is fixed, so your panels stay strong for 25 years. Now the solar panels are placed facing the sun for maximum power. This inverter converts sunlight into usable electricity for our home. This net meter sends extra electricity back to the grid, Dade earning credits.
And boom! Solar power is live. Apne, free electricity from the sun.
Solar saves money, reduces bills, and helps the environment.
If you're thinking about solar, this is the best investment. Like, subscribe, and share this vlog.